So we learned a little bit of an odd skill in the last lesson, but now we're going to put it into action. So we're given some information here about 12 oranges costing £6. So 12 oranges, £6. And we want to know how much would 18 oranges cost. Well, we need a little strategy to go from 12 to 18. And that strategy is going to be to divide by something and then times by something. We're not able to add or subtract because that wouldn't be able to be done in the same way to the money. So it must be a divide and a times step to get there. Well, 12 and 18, they're both in the 6 times table. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 6 times 3 gives us 18. So we've got a little strategy to how to go from 12 to 18 using a divide and a times. And if we've got that, our money has to change in the same way. So if 12 oranges cost £6, then 6 oranges cost £3. If 6 oranges cost £3, then we can times by 3. So 18 oranges, 3 times 3, gives us £9. So we've got this strategy to go from 12 to 18, and we can apply that to the money, and it'll tell us how much 18 oranges would cost. This is a really important idea. These are said to be changing in proportion to each other, or proportionally changing. And hopefully it makes sense. If 12 oranges cost £6, 6 oranges cost half as much. So this little strategy is just to help us think through how to go from one number to another and how to do that with our money. So have a go at laying one out for yourself. Pause the video, take your turn, and then I will run through that in just a moment. Okay, great. Hopefully you've had a try. So I'm going to lay it out in the same way. So 30 sweets, in this case, are £9. Must be some kind of quite big sweets for £9 for 30 sweets, but there we go. And we want to get to 21 sweets, and we want to find out how much that costs. Well, 30 and 21 are both in the 3 times table, so we'll use that. To go from 30 down to that, we divide by 10. 3 up to 21, we times by 7. Let's do that. 9 divided by 10 gives us 90p. 90p times 7. Oh, sorry, divided by 10. 90p times 7 gives us £6.30. And we're done. So again, little strategy to spot along the top, and then following that through. And you can use a calculator to do your calculations here. That's absolutely fine. But our little strategy, that would have been really hard to work out without this little strategy for getting to how much for the 21 sweets. So hopefully it shows you how that works. Everything changing in proportion means we're always doing a divide and a time step to scale between one and the other. So have a go at the questions that I've put up, which are very like that.